Right? Yeah, no, this is not what you're after. You see, what I'm talking to you about is the seventh asana principle. Okay, pairs of opposites. So they're everywhere, and you're tapping into them everywhere. Okay, so when you shooting your legs forward, the amount of power and energy you're putting behind that, you have an equally opposite power that's resisting it and staying back. So that the net result is you end up in Dandasana. Okay? So, see that? See this? There's a going back. Okay? And now I'm going to pull back out the chair and show you that. That's so funny. Suppose that you can't do it even if you have blocks, or you don't want to use blocks. Okay, so it's still the same idea. It's just that it'll look more something like this. See, when you do it with the straight legs and they come through, you're leading with your feet. Okay, but you don't have to do it with straight legs. You can cross your feet on the way. And in that case, you're leading with your knees. Okay, so go knees first. So like this, same crouch. There's still no up to it. Even if you're going to cross your feet, you just drive your thighs forward.